Right, very dramatic special ride behind A1 Tornado. 200 years of railways, class 60163. UK's 105. Here we go, guys. Flight distance is approximately 9 minutes to 1400 PM in the afternoon hour. That is 9 minutes to 2 PM in the afternoon, and it is October the 18th, Saturday afternoon, guys. It's for Wayne 5 travel on the special steam train ride behind the Tornado. On the Heritage Bluebell Railway Line steam guide event today. Next stop will be Kingscote train station. We're going to go through Charthorne Tunnel soon. This sky from Los Angeles and Detroit are places. They go places. A lot of bags there. Loads of bags with ballast in them, by the looks of it. This sky from Los Angeles.